Hello, dear friends. Welcome to Tech TV channel. Today you'll see an amazing selection of the new coolest car accessories on Amazon you must know about. All links to the accessories in the description below the video. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go. OTA keys, vehicle access via mobile phone. Lock, unlock, and start your car via your smartphone. Use the latest Bluetooth Low Energy (BLE) technology or the most secured near-field communication (NFC). The only connection between the car-sharing module and the car is the standard OBD2 port. Through this connection, we power the module, but we can also read vehicle data, fuel level, mileage, etc. The module is also compatible with SMS or most of the badges available on the market thanks to its specific RFID NFC reader. With this, we cover all existing technologies. 10. 9H ceramic coating. Improved visibility in rain or snow. Nano Rain Repellent is designed for your windshield protection and improving driver visibility in wet weather. Nano Rain Repellent is an easy wipe-on coating that creates a protective layer that bonds with your car's windshield, increases glass hardness, and creates a hydrophobic water repellent effect, dramatically improving driver visibility even in the heaviest of rains. Nano Rain Repellent makes your windshield super easy to clean, 35% stronger and resistant to cracks by filling micro scratches. But the main purpose of our brand is improved visibility in rain and snow. My friends, remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. 9. Fatigue Monitor Warning Anti-Sleep Alarm.
Danger, wake up now.
Drowsy and distracted driving kills thousands of people every year. Students, shift workers, parents risk the most. We decided to solve this problem with the technology. Meet Righty, the first smart driver's alert. Righty monitors when you're driving drowsy, it monitors when you're distracted from driving, installs on any car in 60 seconds, no internet connection, completely private. Righty uses machine vision analytics to determine whether you're concentrating on the road. It continuously analyzes eye blinking frequency, eye movements, and other facial expression patterns. Eight. CLIPAD 2-in-1 car charger with air quality detector. According to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, continued exposure to some of these can lead to hormonal disruption, reproductive impacts, and damage to the liver, kidneys, and central nervous system, or even cancer. Power CLIPAD is the world's first Qi wireless fast car charger mount with air quality indicator. We put a great deal of work into the Power CLIPAD's easy-to-use super design. We know it'll help people both be more safe while driving and get less damaged by the poor air quality in the car. Seven. AUTO-VOX wireless backup camera kit with stable digital signal. Digital signal transmission is totally different from analog signal transmission. The signal is encrypted, which is like point-to-point. There's no interference from other devices. Why choose AUTO-VOX CS2 backup camera? 1. Stable digital signal transmission. 2. Wireless for easy installation. Wireless means there's no video cable connecting the monitor to the camera like the wired. Please kindly note that the camera needs to take power from the reverse light. 3. Built-in transmitter on camera. Safe place. 4. High compatibility for cars. Suited for cars which are less than 32 feet. Dear friends, remember to leave a comment which car accessories you like the most. 6. Spytec. mini hidden tracking device for kids and seniors. Spytec GPS just made the best even better by re-engineering a perennial favorite of the surveillance industry. The newly revamped GL300 tracker has near-perfect 4G coverage and now boasts an impressive 2.5-week battery life. Five, Viper SmartStart for Apple Watch. Add Viper's SmartStart Pro to almost any remote start system, harnessing the fast connected car solution that lets you lock, unlock, and remote start or locate your vehicle from virtually anywhere. Use Viper Smart Pro as a standalone GPS device to locate your vehicle, set and receive smart fence, speed and lockdown alerts, and take full advantage of the GPS capabilities. With Viper Smart Start, you receive real-time vehicle alerts including lockdown, speed, and smart fence violations. Monitor multiple vehicles in a single account. Great for keeping eyes on your teenagers. Get turn-by-turn directions to your vehicle with integrated maps. 4. Piyuda, the day and night visor for your car. The Piyuda HD Vision Visor reduces blinding glare from the sun during the day, brightens vision and cuts harsh headlight glare at night, enhances color, clarity, and contrast. Car sun visor that reduces glare and turns your vision into high-definition anti-glare, filter car lights and UV rays, offer you better visibility while driving. Designed to clip onto your existing sunshade, easy to install and remove, universal, fits most cars. My friends, if you liked at least one of the accessories, push like, please. 3. AKASO Mirror Dash Camera for Cars. AKASO DL9 Mirror Dash Cam records front and rear simultaneously at 1920 1080p at 30 frames per second, and built-in Sony IMX307 sensor, which provides sharp, smooth, and real image day and night. 10-inch stream media screen display full front view or full rear view compared to traditional rear view mirror. This rear view mirror displays 170 degrees rear view in real time. 2. WeatherTech CupFone Universal Adjustable Cup Holder. CupFone is a cell phone holder that sits conveniently in your vehicle's cup holders. This cell phone holder was designed to perfectly and snugly fit into virtually any cup holder, keeping your mobile device easily accessible and visible. Interchangeable base cups allow you to find the perfect snug fit for your vehicle's cup holders. Each base cup features a hole in the bottom, which allows the included tool to separate with ease. Just click together the cups you need and store the others for use in rental cars, golf carts, or any other cup holder. The CupFone extension is the perfect accessory for anyone looking for a better position for their mobile phone. The CupFone extension allows you to position your phone in a more comfortable location and adds greater flexibility to all vehicles. One, WeatherTech TechShade Full Vehicle Kit. TechShade is a custom-fit windshield and window sunshade for any season. The TechShade can keep your vehicle cool in the summer and help prevent frost buildup in the winter. Reflective film chases the sun away in summer, then the reverse side absorbs the heat for those cold winter months. When not in use, the TechShade is easily removed, rolled, and secured with a hook and loop strap. The TechShade is custom fit for each vehicle. Dear friends, remember to subscribe to my channel because in the future, there will be a lot of new coolest car accessories and gadgets. If you liked at least one of the accessories, push like please, and leave a comment which accessories you like the most. See you in the next video. Goodbye.